to get the giant silver dragonfly. As you can see on my screen, if you look closely, guys, you will see the giant silver dragonfly here to claim and the silver dragonfly to claim. So for those of you who missed the new updates or you missed the admin abuse event, this video is for you. All you need to do is see, guys, come to the left hand side of your Grow A Garden and you're going to see shop, you'll see pass, you'll see guide. Click on pass. Yes, absolutely. When you click on pass, all you need to do is to start doing the task to quickly claim the rewards. Now, I am at level 5. As you can see, I just claimed it. Yes, so for those of you who are wondering, how did I get to level 5? I got to level 5 in less than 2 minutes. Yes, you can actually watch the video on my channel where and how I got to this level 5. Yes, I have a video that I recorded about the admin abuse update glitch. Yes, the new update glitch, and it tells you in the video and I show you how to claim all of this thing quickly with the glitch. So guys, you can watch that, and when you watch that, then you can actually start claiming all of these rewards and you will be a few meters away to getting your dragonfly, because the dragonfly, as you can see on my screen, the first one is at number 40. Yes, so you're going to claim this one even before you get to number 40. You're going to claim the normal silver dragonfly, and when you get to 40, you'll be able to, when you finish all of your rewards, you can unlock and get your giant dragon silver fly. So guys, this is something that we need to take seriously, and the reason I did this video is because unlike other quests that takes about 24 hours thereabout for it to reset, that makes us feel like we have time, these new quests are taking 5 hours to reset, so you can't sleep on it. So it means that in a day we should be able to do as much as 6 quests. Yes, so for those of you who would like to not feel alone while you're doing your quest, I am going to be doing live videos showing you how I do my daily quest, how I claim all of my rewards. So do not sleep on it. Ensure that you watch my daily live videos on GrowAGarden to show you how to claim all of this stuff and the glitches that I also found. Guys, this is an absolutely amazing quest, and I love it so much because not just about the dragonfly, there are so many things that you can get. I already have a pass point, I have a blue jay, I already have a sundew seed, I already have a prime seed back, I already have a computer monitor, all of this in less than 2 minutes. And guess what, guys, as you go further, we get even better stuff. So we can't sleep on this. Look at this, there's a firefly. There is a firefly. There's so much to do here, guys. So much. So much to do. So it's not just about the dragonfly. You see why we cannot sleep on this. So the dragonfly is one of the things that everybody is looking out for. But then again, you also get the jungle egg. Yes, so that's one way to get the jungle egg even before it comes out at the seed shop. So these are so many ways for you to start right away, to start getting all these amazing exotic things and exotic seeds and things that you will not get after this event. So guys, let's not sleep on it. Let's start right away. Let me know in the comment section if you are looking forward to having the giant firefly, the firefly, or even the dragonfly. Let me know in the comment section. I am waiting to read from you. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.